This backpack might replace your carry-on. Bellroy Transit Workpack Pro 28-liter review. Ever feel like your bag's working against you? Like you're hustling from train to office to airport, and your backpack just can't keep up? Yeah, we've all been there, digging for cables in a black hole, fighting zippers mid-sprint, sweating through your shirt thanks to some sad excuse for padding. It's frustrating, distracting, even demotivating. You lose time, focus, and energy on stuff that shouldn't even be a thing. Your gear should help you flow, not make you feel stuck. If your bag's slowing you down or cramping your vibe, it's time for an upgrade that actually understands your grind. Now, add crushing deadlines, random gate changes, and where's my charger panic. That's the kind of chaos we're talking about. You're juggling coffee, boarding passes, Slack messages, and sweaty lower back syndrome. Meanwhile, your shoulders are aching, your documents are crumpled, and your pro backpack feels like it was designed by someone who's never left their desk. It's not just annoying, it's holding you back. You're missing windows of opportunity, turning travel into stress, and wasting energy you don't have to spare. Your tool should elevate you, not add friction at every step. Enter the Bellroy Transit Workpack Pro 28-liter, your sleek, silent productivity partner. This beauty fits up to 16-inch laptops, glides through airport security, and holds everything without screaming, "Tech bro." Built from durable, water-resistant recycled materials, it features a dual-density padded harness, textured mesh back, and removable sternum strap for comfort that sticks with you. The top storage zone is perfect for a tech kit or toiletries, while side zips hide a water bottle and quick access essentials. You get a front A4 pocket, hidden pockets, USB charger storage, and a luggage pass-through for total control in transit. Lighten your load and lift your whole workflow. It's not just well-designed, it's worshipped. One traveler raved, "I'm super stoked with this bag. Love how it looks, fits tons of stuff, and feels great." Another praised how it just glides through travel while staying organized and stylish. Whether you're a digital nomad, office ninja, or remote warrior, this pack delivers streamlined layouts, quick access zones, and shockingly smart design that adapts to how you move. People say it's like their second brain. Plus, it's made by B Corp certified Bellroy, so you know you're investing in sustainable, ethical craftsmanship. Still curious? Tap in and see why this bag's a quiet cult favorite, with serious staying power. Ready to ditch the chaos and travel like a pro? Don't wait. This bag is blowing up. Limited stock means you might blink and miss it. Thousands of commuters, creators, and travelers are already upgrading to smarter, more spacious, more chill carry. So if you're serious about staying ahead, on flights, in meetings, or on the move, buy now, secure yours today, and feel the difference every single day. Light, durable, sharp. The Bellroy Transit Workpack Pro 28-liter isn't just a bag, it's your backstage pass to getting more done, with less stress. Seize this chance and win.